Hello friends, this is the Conair Vagabond hair dryer. The main reason that I'm doing this review is because there are so many questions about how loud is it. And that's a very relative thing because we all compare it to a different hair dryer and we all have a different idea of what loud it is. So in my experience, I have another Conair in the other bathroom. This is a lot quieter than that one, a lot quieter. But again, this is my experience. So I don't know if this helps through the camera, but let's give it a try. Anyway, as you can see, it's foldable, it's very small, it is very efficient, and I very much love it. One of the reasons that I love it, it doesn't have that very high pitch sound when it's on high. It's the very high that the other one has. This is a little more docile, sound-wise. Okay, low, and high. So again, in my experience compared to the other one, this is far quieter. There you go.
Y yo la necesito para un viaje a Europa. Y lo pedí porque dice que tiene este voltaje. Mi duda es si alguien me puede ayudar. Para usarlo en Europa, tengo que girar este para acá. Nada más que intenté hacerlo, pero no gira. Entonces no sé si alguien me puede ayudar, por favor. De ahí en para todo súper bien, muy bonito y todo.
It works for low speed, but doesn't work for high speed.